Excuse me. You disturbed the peace. Oh, alright, I'll get my soul back. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Where is it? It's down here. I'm sorry, so I did. Are you kidding me? Ugh. Gravy. Alright. Come back. Let's see. Is it down here? Oh! No, I don't know where it is. Oh, this one. This is the door I can open. They want me in here. Oh my goodness. They put so much reinforcements on everything. What's up here, though? I've yet to know. Oh! Damn it. Let me try again. Wait, where am I? Bro! I thought I was in the same area. Oh. What is this? Is this a treasure? Ooh, what is it? Oh, hollowness seal. Ooh, I want to see. Give me a second. While I sit in this chest. Well, I mean, I can't really see it, or I can't equip it yet. Wait, what is it? Oh, it's a thingy. I see. It's not a pin thingy. I thought it was a pin thingy. Whee! That's good though. Oh, is there another? Oh my gosh. They have me really greedy on this. Alright, I got this. Open up. Let's see what I get. Mark of Pride. Is this a thingy? I think it is. Yeah. Let me see what it is. Oh my god, that's really given by the man's tribe to those they respect. Greatly increases the range. Oh, there's near. Oh, nice, allowing them to strike foes from further away. Damn, that's actually pretty good. I gotta only equip it when I'm sitting down, though. Okay. Alright. What's over here? Ooh. Oh, it's my resting spot. Oh, nice. Well. There's nothing else I gotta do. I can equip it, though. Let me see. It takes 3, though. Gosh, I need to go to the badge lady. I need more notches. That thing looks yummy in my tummy. I don't know if I want this equipped on, though. I do need to go to lady. I want to try it out for a little bit. May regret it. May regret. Let me see. Nah, I won't regret. Where else do I have to go? May I cook back upwards. Because I'm kind of confused after doing all this. Or do I have to go to Deep Nest? Do I have to go to Deep Nest? Don't forget the geo. Oh yeah, that. There's geo here? Where? Is it? Oh my days. Oh my gosh. No! Where am I? Gosh. I have to go up here? Wait. Hold on. Or do I have to go over here? Did I bother going over here? No. Oh, no, over here. I have to go around, don't I? Shh. What's wrong with me? Oh my gosh. I thought I was dead. I literally thought I was dead. Hold on. How did I do it last time? I'm good! I'm good! Just because I can't freaking get up here. Oh, yeah. There you go. Oh, brother. Okay, I see now. Oh. Boy! boy! Oh, I'm so happy. I got so much monies. Anyways. They have this like a dang maze. Yay, I love victims. Let me see. I don't know. Am I supposed to go to the deepest? Whee! Oh wait, I don't need to go here. I need to go to the door. Am I even ready for the deepness? Do I have to explore over there? And also, what's Fog Canyon? I kind of just went over there, but I didn't go through it. Am I ready for that? Thinking. Thinking what to do, what to do. What to do. You guys agrees to something. You're right. I'm kind of broke though. I'm not gonna lie. I'll go back to the station. Where am I? Why doesn't it show me on the map? Thought it would. I mean, I'm obviously right there. But, I thought it did show me on the map. Yeah, let's go this way. I don't feel confident about this one, guys. We're going the other way. Oh no, I can't even go this way. Oh no. No way. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, I'm cooked. I'm stuck here forever. No, I could try. Yeah. You wonder how I did all this. Nah, this should be easy. Ah, wow. Hooah! Okay. No! No! I just climbed the wall. What is wrong with me? Oh, I can climb the wall? I'm not allowed to. Because it's just spikes on the end of the day. Oh, sorry, Mac. Okay. Will I have Mac luck? I hope so. Yeah, I could try. Ah, thank God. I'm dying. Thank God you guys can't attack me. Where am I going? Where am I? Is there anything else I was missing here? I don't think so. Where am I? Oh. Sorry. Huh. Hold on, I need to heal real quick. Yummy in my tummy. Okay. Classic to see. I am very struggling. That's for sure. I'm struggling a lot. But I did it though. So you didn't have to watch me struggle too much for too long. Let's see. Where am I going? Gosh, I'm lost again. I'm there. Can I go over there now? Wait, oh, sorry. Could I? Hold on. Over here. No, I can't go over here. Oh, I can't even. What is... Oh, goodness gravy. Oh, it's gonna hit me. Oh no, I'm fine. What was I saying? Nah, it wouldn't hit me. No! Get me out of here. No, no! Damn it! Get out. Get out! Ah, thank goodness. Where am I? Okay, I think I remember where I am. Boop! 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 Not that thing. Wait a minute. Does this take me over there, though? Oh, shit! Ooh! I'm gonna do this. Sorry. Let's go over here. Oh, brother. Goodness gracious. Goodness gravy. Bad attacking these. They're not even attacking back. They're just cute little things. No. No. Come on! Okay. Yeah. Can I just go another way? Oops, sorry. Yeah. Frick it. YOLO. Can I? Oh no, we're good. I don't want to hit him, but I had to hit him. What's going on? Why do I keep triggering it? I need to calm down. Oh, this is where the... Actually, I could have went over here. I think, methinks, right? Yeah. No? What? Where am I? Wait! Can I? Oh wait, hold on. Oh! Heal, sorry. We're here. Did I ever go over here? I don't actually remember. Now I don't even know where I am. What the? Did I? I think I did. Oh my gracious. Oh my gracious! Okay.